Yo, what's up? Handa na ba kayo sa island trip of a lifetime? Island goals, travel feels, at epic views. Halina at ipakita natin ang ganda ng Pinas. Join us on this wonderful adventure. Welcome to Sugikay Island! Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel, and today samahan nyo kami sa isang hidden gem dito sa Oriental Mindoro, ang Sugikay Island, na located sa San Juan, Bulalakaw, Oriental Mindoro. This island is known for its white sand, crystal clear waters, at super chill na vibes. From the mainland, around 15 to 20 minutes lang by boat, and boom! Para ka nang nasa sariling version ng Maldives. Pagdating mo dito, mapapansin mo agad yung turquoise water, ang puting buhangin, at yung mga puno ng mangrove sa paligid. Sobrang relaxing, promise! Isa sa mga best things to do dito, swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, at syempre, chill lang sa tabing dagat habang nagpapahangin. May mga spots din dito perfect for your IG-worthy photos, kaya huwag kalimutan ang camera. So if you're looking for a peaceful, budget-friendly at less crowded na island getaway, check out Sugikay Island, pang-relax, pang-bonding at pang-soul searching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. Kita-kits sa next adventure!